Tired of stepping into a scorching hot car? Imagine parking anywhere, anytime without sun worries. Introducing the ultimate windshield cover for sun protection. Perfect for daily commuters, families, and road trippers. Just unfold, place on your windshield, and secure. Blocks intense sunlight, keeping your car interior cool. No more burning hands on your steering wheel. No more faded dashboards or cracked leather seats. Crafted from high-density reflective materials. Engineered to reflect up to 99% of UV rays. Dual-layer technology for superior insulation. Prevents heat buildup even during peak summer. Universal fit, works with the most car models and sizes. Easy to fold, store, and reuse every day. Lightweight yet durable for long-lasting performance. Reinforced edges prevent fraying and tearing. Elastic straps ensure a snug, secure fit. No tools required. Install in seconds. Say goodbye to time-consuming sunshades. Enjoy instant relief from stifling car heat. Protects electronics and valuables from sun damage. Reduces air conditioning usage, saving energy. Eco-friendly, reusable, and easy to clean. Tested for extreme weather resistance. Withstands wind, rain, and daily wear. Sleek design complements any car exterior. Keep your car looking new inside and out. No more embarrassing sweat stains on your clothes. Arrive at your destination cool and comfortable. Great for shopping trips, work, or vacations. Protect your investment with advanced sun defense, recommended by car care professionals. Thousands of satisfied customers online. Check out real reviews on our online store. See before and after photos from happy drivers. Order directly from our secure online shop. Fast, reliable shipping to your doorstep. Exclusive online discounts available today. Don't wait. Summer heat is here now. Upgrade your driving experience instantly. Enjoy peace of mind every time you park. No more dreading hot interiors after errands. Simple, effective, and essential for every driver. Gift this to friends and family who drive. Great for all ages and all vehicles. Make every trip more enjoyable and stress-free. Engineered for convenience and maximum protection. No complicated instructions, just open and use. Fits compact cars, sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Ideal for both summer and winter use. Prevents frost buildup in cold months too. One product, year-round comfort and protection. Designed for busy lifestyles and modern needs. Save time, save money, protect your car. Backed by our satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, we'll make it right. Order risk-free from our trusted online store. Join thousands upgrading their car care routine. Don't let the sun ruin your drive. Experience the difference with our windshield cover. See and feel the results from day one. No more waiting for your car to cool down. Enjoy instant comfort every single drive. Protect what matters most, your car and your comfort. Act now and beat the heat this season. Visit our online store for exclusive deals. Upgrade your car with the best sun protection. Don't settle for less. Choose proven performance. Ready for cooler, safer, more enjoyable drives? Click the link, order today, and feel the difference.